Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restart phone without power button. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to restart your mobile device without actually pressing and holding the power button, well, there is a way for you to enable this on your Android device. So first things first, you want to go and just go to your settings. And in here, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here and you want to look for accessibility. Now, depending on your Android device, sometimes it may be available under settings itself. But if not, you want to go and just go to additional settings and you should be able to see accessibility. Again, this depends on your Android device. So yeah, let's go and click on accessibility. Now, in here, you want to go and look for accessibility menu. Let's go and just click on it. And from here, you want to go and just make sure to enable the accessibility menu shortcut. Now, once you do click on it, it's going to ask for permission. So just click on allow. And from here, it's going to say accessibility button shortcut. As you can see right now, that's the accessibility icon. Go ahead and click on OK. Now, the great thing about this accessibility icon is it will give you the option to turn off your phone without actually pressing and holding the power button. So once you do click on it, you should be able to see the power button here. So if you click or press on it, you should now have the option to restart or reboot your mobile device. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.